first sort of Internet of Things was actually when they landed on the moon.
National security or defence funding has actually driven that technology.
One of the devices in my household is a pacemaker, which is sitting inside my chest. I'm waiting for it to be Wi-Fi connected. That's the bad story I've heard too, of people being remotely terminated.
On the Sydney Harbour Bridge there are now 2 robots, Rosie and Sandy, and we're helping to improve the quality, safety and efficiency of operations on site.
We make iPhone-controlled robot arms for people with disabilities. This is the second prototype, which I finished making like a week ago. And this is a video of our first prototype lifting up a 400 milliliter bottle of water. And as you can see, it can control that very easily.
Well, first, congrats on getting any product to market. I think it's always the physical thing, getting that out there, and it looks quite beautiful, so congrats on that.
I can see Channel 7 using it and sending, actually hoping that there'll be more everyday people out shooting their own bits of news.
I'm a natural born hustler. I picked up the phone one day, called Gordon Ramsay and ended up working in his restaurants. We've been launched 5 weeks. We've got 56 top chefs in Sydney using the platform, enabling wholesale buyers of food to connect and trade with local farmers and producers all online.
Food's harvested unripe, it's transported thousands of kilometres, it's kept in cold storage for weeks or months, and then it's gassed with ripening agents before being put on the shelves. Tech23 is the Nespresso of the gardening world. First we sell the hardware, then we sell the subscription to the pods.
I was curious as to what crop options you have.
What are you alluding to?
I specifically like the Nespresso comment.
Thank you.
I thought that was very clever, and it really made it understand your business model in a flash.
Get George Clooney too.
But you can not only buy a product, you can shop the whole outfit via text. So when there's 3 million people watching The Voice, every single one of them could potentially purchase.
Still the chickens. It can be a really, really quick way to get the chickens in the house.
Yes, we've actually got our first white label going live in a couple of weeks.
Great.
They're selling into universities, which is probably the second worst customer I can think of. I once met a nuclear submarine salesman. A 30-year career, he had sold 1.
Like it's a real problem that you're solving.
A really neat feature. I would like to see it integrated into design tools.
If we could raise 100,000, what would you use it for next week?
Spend that on trying to get another 400,000.
I give it back to you, then we go to Channel 7, we take out some ads on TV, and we do a PayPal and Buy Reply shop off the screen partnership.